How to change data in an existing chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. First, open your PowerPoint program and navigate to the slide which has the chart you desire to edit. You must click on the chart to select it. When you do this, 2 additional tabs will appear at the top of your PowerPoint workspace. These are the Chart Design and Format tabs. Let's click on the Chart Design tab and then navigate to the Data group. Here you click on Edit Data. You will see a couple of options here. You can choose to edit data, which allows you to make changes within the PowerPoint application itself. Once you select Edit Data, a new window will open, showing a spreadsheet where you can modify the information according to your needs. See how simple it is? All you have to do is enter the new data, and your chart will update automatically in PowerPoint. But remember, always be sure to save your work to keep any changes you make. You can also edit the data directly in MS Excel by selecting Edit Data in Excel. This can be a preferred method, especially if you have more complex data manipulations to perform. Just like earlier, make the adjustments you need, save and close the Excel window, and your PowerPoint chart will be updated immediately. And that's it.